Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. May Allah bless you and keep smiling. Always be happy in your life. First of all, thank you for supporting me and welcome my YouTube channel. I want to share crochet article design and I hope you like this video. This video I am sharing crochet frog designs patterns. A crochet frog pattern design can be as simple or elaborate as you want. All frog designs are common design for use. Crochet frog pattern are having to all fabulous design from easy. These three patterns are beautifully designed and suitable for both beginner as a maker that designs crochets every day. These crochet frog pattern design are one of the cutest items you can as a make a shower gift as a photographs. These crochet frog designs pattern are simple and to make as a will look stylish and unique on your little one. Most crochet frog patterns on the belong your basic beginner friendly stitches such as a single crochet or half double crochet stitches. The crochet lovers are always searching for cute and unique ideas and plan to work on get their make shine more and more. A crochet frog pattern design can be as simple or elaborate as you want. All frog designs are common design for use. Crochet frog pattern are having to all fabulous design from easy. The patterns below use simple beginner friendly stitches like the single crochet stitches, which means they are mostly easy to crochet. Crochet frog patterns, some custom color shaded yarn crochet pattern designs. These colorful patterns used on your party functions and everyday patterns. You crochet for looking so beautiful and unique. So here this sweet idea for creating this frog winning design. This is the cute tree crochet frog pattern based around the design of hearts. The crochet frog pattern are designed with simple stitches, so this pattern should work up fast. The design use a big crochet pattern that could work the alternating natural colors shaded. I hope you enjoy this collection of crochet frog patterns designs. If you like a crochet more free patterns, check out the crochet pattern collection below. Crochet frocks are a great way to learn new stitches with picture a great deal of our time and make small crochet design. For this pattern lookup a request going to focus on beginner level easy to patterns. This comprehensive list of the best crochet frog patterns. This is the pattern for a beautifully designed this amazing collection for you if you want more ideas and more crochet patterns. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video very amazing and helpful for you. So friends, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. So viewers, share this video to your friend and family members. So friends, be connected with me and remember me in your prayer. We will meet you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.